Hey guys, how you doing? It's Gavyn here from the Growing Younger team, and this exercise is a bodyweight box squat. And this is a really good exercise, really important exercise for developing our leg strength, okay? Because what happens is as we get older, simply our leg strength declines twice as fast as our upper body strength. So sometimes the bodyweight squat is actually a little bit too difficult to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this box, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do a box squat and build up your leg strength, okay? So what you're going to do, you can use a box or a chair. Alright, so when you sit in this box, you literally want to be about 90 degrees, okay? So your knee, your lower leg and your upper leg about 90 degrees. And you're going to have your feet about hip width apart, so about this sort of width apart. Feet slightly turned out, work on the glutes a little bit, arms across the front of your body, engage your core and stand straight up. Come back down, touch the box and come straight back up. So from the side, it looks very similar, so chest up, back is nice and straight, looking forward, and stand up nice and tall. Come down, touch the box, and stand straight up. If you haven't got the leg strength to control the touch, or when you kiss the bench, you can actually sit down. Sit down, hold, and then come back up again. And as you get stronger, you can come down and just touch and touch the box to stand back up. A couple of points to remember is nice and slow on the way down. 2 to 3 seconds down, touch, come back up a little bit faster. 2 to 3 seconds down, come back a little bit faster.